I'm one of those insane people who like to have good-looking bullets. I know it doesn't make them perform any better, but if you're going to do all this, you might as well do it nice. And I don't remember where I heard about these. I've had these for probably 6 months to a year. These silicone mats that actually have a little honeycomb in them or whatever, hexagon shape, and they fit 30 caliber bullets just fine, particularly ones I'm going to put gas checks on. And I'm hoping, I took one out, looked at it, looked like the powder was not disturbed. I haven't cooked them yet, so if you're seeing this video, they came out what I thought looked good. Because if they don't, I'm not going to publish the video, of course. So there's part one. Powder coating those bullets with that tray where they 30 caliber sit in there. And I can't tell you that I'm absolutely thrilled. You see this here? There's some bottom piece where it must have rubbed the powder off. But I don't know if my finger's doing it justice. Finger's like gigantic. See that right there? I'm going to give them a try. Because most of it's on there. 99. Here's they look like after some of them have been gas checked, and I didn't go and pick out best ones. I just randomly grabbed the first ones that come to my fingers. Like there's a one that doesn't look very good. Let's take a look at that. That's just from, there's a piece right there where it's not coated. I just don't think that'll be a problem. If you think about it, a lubricated bullet slides a lot of exposed lead down the barrel. It's just a little tiny bit. And I get more than that when I just tumble them and throw them out, you know. I gas check a lot of different 30 caliber bullets I load. Well, obviously these for the Grand I'm going to do. I've got 7.62 by 39 that I gas check. I've got some 308s I gas check. I gas check all of the 30 carbine loads. I'm going to gas check that 450 Bushmaster, but that's different size. These are sized, by the way, to 310. I size them just a tad bigger. Sure are pretty, aren't they? They're pretty. I didn't do a whole bunch of them because, I mean, I don't even know if they'll shoot well or not. I got a load I picked up off some forums. I'm going to try. I know I could blow myself up. I'll try. We'll see. Nice looking bullet though. They drop fairly well for a brand new mold. I quit smoking my NOE molds a long time ago. They just don't seem to need it. Yeah, I know the top's not perfect, but I was in a hurry last night because it was cold and it doesn't need to be perfect. What's important is the driving bands where it seals against the barrel. Anyways, I said if it looked decent I'd do a video, and I think I'm liking it. They stood up well. I mean, there's no question about that. They came out easy enough. I don't think I'd do this with a non-gas check bullet. I mean, I'll try some on a 300 blackout next time I load it. I've got a few thousand done up ahead. I don't need to. But I thought that all this powder coat would be rubbed off where the bottom is, but I knew I was gas checking them, so it didn't bother me. That's not the case. Just the edge, I think, where it touches there. So, I don't know. I'll try some. Because I load a lot of them that aren't gas checked. I load 300 blackout. Those aren't gas checked. For the supers or for the subs. Because my supersonic on 300 blackout goes about 1,650 feet per second. I've never had a problem with it. That's a 153 grain bullet, I think, yeah. What else did I load in that? Oh, those one bullets I have, they're subsonic for 7.62 by 39 too, but those don't need to be. They don't even have a gas check on the mold. And I can only shoot those through the Ruger because they don't have enough oomph to run the action on a AR. But I was impressed. This blue powder from Eastwood just makes the bullets look nice anyway. And it's so smooth. Those are actually sharp. You could poke your finger with them. Now, probably running them through the sizer dulls them down a bit. Yeah, that's not so sharp anymore. Because the bullet underneath it pushes the one on top. But still looks nice. There we are. I don't plan on loading these right away, but get them done anyway. It's 11:30, almost 12 o'clock. I'm going to bed. Good night, everybody.